Ever wondered what a Cambodian delicacy that's crawling with flavor tastes like? Welcome, dear listener, to a culinary journey unlike any other. We're venturing into the far corners of the world, exploring the hidden gems of global cuisine, the exotic, the unusual, and sometimes the downright bizarre. Our first destination, the bustling streets of Cambodia, where we'll dive headfirst into a dish that will make your skin crawl, ... in a good way, of course. Meet the aping, a common street food that's as delicious as it is interesting. That's right, we're talking about fried tarantulas. That's not a euphemism. They're large edible spiders, deep fried until they're as crunchy as your favorite potato chips. Now you might be thinking, who in the world came up with the idea of eating spiders? Well, the origins of this unique dish can be traced back to the days of the Khmer Rouge regime. During those harsh times, food was scarce and people had to get creative with their resources. And so the aping was born out of necessity, and it has since become a beloved snack, celebrated for its unique taste and the bravery it requires to consume. But let's not forget about the preparation. The spiders are first defanged, then marinated in a mixture of MSG, sugar, and chicken stock. After marinating, they're tossed into a wok of sizzling hot oil. The result? A crispy treat with a soft center that locals and adventurous tourists can't get enough of. So there you have it, aping, a Cambodian delicacy that's literally crawling with flavor. It's a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Cambodian people. A tangible piece of their history that's not just endured but thrived and become a part of their cultural identity. Are you ready for more? Good, because our culinary adventure is just beginning. Next, prepare your palate for a little Nordic surprise. Ever tried a dish that's been buried underground for weeks? Welcome to the frosty landscapes of Iceland, where food preservation takes a turn for the extraordinary. Here we encounter hakal, a traditional Icelandic dish that's not for the faint of heart. This culinary curiosity is made from none other than the Greenland shark, a creature that thrives in the icy depths of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Hakal has a history as rich and intriguing as its flavor. Its origins trace back to the time of the Vikings, where the harsh conditions of the north demanded innovative methods for food preservation. The Greenland shark, a readily available resource, became a staple in their diet. However, fresh Greenland shark is poisonous, so the Vikings had to devise a method to make it edible. Enter the unique preparation process of hakal. The meat of the Greenland shark is first fermented, a process that takes about 6 to 12 weeks. During this time, the shark meat is buried in a shallow hole in the ground covered with stones to press out the toxins. Once fermented, the shark is dug up, cut into strips, and hung to dry for several more months. Now, if you're wondering about the taste and smell of hakal, let's just say it's distinctive. Often described as an acquired taste, hakal is known for its strong ammonia-rich smell and fishy flavor that's been likened to very strong cheese. Some adventurous eaters even consider it a gastronomic challenge to conquer. So if you ever find yourself in the land of fire and ice, why not take your taste buds on a journey back to Viking times? With its unique preparation and unforgettable taste, hakal is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Icelandic people. From the chilly north, we're taking you to the spicy heart of Africa. Ready for a meal that's a whole lot of heat and a whole lot of meat? Let's take a culinary detour and venture into the heart of Ethiopia, where a dish known as kitfo takes center stage. It's a dish that's raw, spicy, and an undeniable favorite among the locals. Kitfo hails from the Guraj region, an area known for its rich, fertile lands and vibrant culture. The name kitfo itself translates to chopped, a fitting description of its preparation. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's first delve into the ingredients that make this dish what it is. At its core, kitfo is all about the beef, the raw beef. But not just any kind of beef. It has to be lean and high quality. The meat is then meticulously minced, almost to a paste-like consistency. Now, this might be enough to make some people squirm, but in Ethiopia, this is just how it's done. Next, we've got the clarified butter, also known as nita kibe. This isn't your average butter, oh no. It's infused with a variety of herbs and spices, adding a depth of flavor that regular butter could only dream of. And finally, there's the chili, or mitmita, as it's called locally. It's a fiery red blend of bird's eye chili peppers, cardamom seeds, cloves, and salt. This potent blend is then mixed into the minced meat, creating a dish that's as fiery as the African sun itself. But kitfo isn't just about the taste, it has cultural significance too. It's often reserved for special occasions and holidays, when families and friends gather to share a meal. The rawness of the meat is a tribute to the bravery and strength of the Guraj people, a testament to their resilience. So there you have it, kitfo, a dish that's a whole lot of heat and a whole lot of meat. A dish that's raw, spicy, and steeped in tradition. A dish that's undeniably Ethiopian. Now, let's go east to explore a Japanese delicacy that's a bit slippery. Ever savored a dish that's as slippery as it is savory? Welcome to Japan, the land of the rising sun and home to an array of dishes that will tantalize your taste buds in ways you've never imagined. Today we're delving into the delightful world of shirako. Now brace yourself, for this isn't your typical sushi or ramen. Shirako, my dear friends, is a delicacy made from the sperm sacs of certain fish. That's right, you heard it correctly. Shirako, which translates to white children, is made from the sperm sacs of either cod, anglerfish, or pufferfish. Now, before you scrunch up your nose, let me assure you that this dish is a beloved delicacy in Japan, savored by many for its creamy texture and mild taste. Yes, creamy and mild, not fishy as you might have assumed. The preparation of shirako is as simple as it is intriguing. It is usually served raw or lightly cooked, often steamed or pan-fried with a bit of soy sauce. The result is a dish that melts in your mouth, leaving behind a rich, velvety sensation that is truly unique. Shirako has a history that is as rich as its flavor. This delicacy has been enjoyed in Japan for centuries, a testament to the nation's adventurous culinary spirit. Every year, when the winter season rolls around, the demand for shirako skyrockets. This is the time when the sperm sacs are at their fullest, resulting in a dish that is at the peak of its flavor. This slippery delight is more than just a dish. It's a cultural tradition, a winter ritual, and a gastronomic adventure all rolled into one. It's a testament to the Japanese philosophy of motenai, which emphasizes not wasting any part of an animal, and it's a celebration of the diversity and richness of culinary delights that the world has to offer. So, if you ever find yourself in Japan during the winter months, why not give shirako a try? You might just discover a new favorite dish. We've traveled far and wide, but our culinary journey is just beginning. How did you enjoy our exotic food tour so far? We've savored the frost-kissed flavors of the far north, felt the fiery heat of African cuisine dance on our tongues, and slipped into the delicate delights of Asian gastronomy. Each dish, a symphony of flavors, each bite, a narrative of its origin. In the snowy expanses of the Nordic region, we discovered the surprising allure of fermented shark, a dish that challenges the bravest of palates, and the hearty charm of reindeer stew, a winter staple. This culinary adventure reminded us that even in the harshest climates, food becomes a celebration of survival and resilience. Our journey then took us to the heart of Africa, where we encountered the vibrant colors and robust flavors of the continent. The Doro Wat from Ethiopia, a spicy chicken stew, showcased the power of spices, while the bunny chow of South Africa, a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry, demonstrated the creativity of cuisine born from cultural fusion. Sliding over to Asia, we delighted in the slippery yet satisfying challenge of eating Japan's shirako, a delicacy made from the sperm sac of a cod. An unusual choice indeed, but a testament to the philosophy that in food, as in life, there is beauty and taste in the unexpected. And so we find ourselves at the end of this remarkable culinary journey, our palates seasoned by the diverse flavors of the globe. But remember, dear listeners, this is just a teaser. The world is brimming with culinary treasures waiting to be discovered, so let your curiosity guide you, your taste buds lead you, and your love for food fuel your explorations. In these culinary adventures, we learn not only about diverse foods, but also about the cultures they come from. Each dish tells a story of its people, their history, their land, and their traditions. So let's keep an open mind and a hungry belly as we continue our gastronomic journey. Remember, adventure is the spice of life, and there's no better adventure than exploring the world's culinary delights.